Bro, look at this man, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Hit him with the Tyson. Can't take this no more, bro. I can't take it. Deal is on.
Oh my goodness, bro. Look at my 11s, bro.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? As you can see, man, we are here at a playground, and I know you probably wondering why are we at a playground. Holla, show yourself real quick, bro. Show yourself. All right, so right now, man, we at a playground, and I have a challenge for Big Holla, man. First off, I have to say shout out to Rejuvenator. Rejuvenator is doing something that they have never done before. This upcoming Black Friday, you are able to get 50% off any of your purchases if you use the link down below in the description. I told Holla straight up like this, if you can get these Bred 11s, let me see these Bred 11s real quick, bro. If you can get these Bred 11s as dirty as you possibly can out here, I'm only giving them 10 minutes. He has to get these Bred 11s as dirty as he possibly can in 10 minutes. As you guys know, the Bred 11s are re-releasing this December 14th, and I told Holla like this, man. If you can get these as dirty as you possibly can, and Rejuvenator cannot bring these back to life, you get a free pair of Bred 11s, bro. That's so dope. I will buy you a brand new pair of these if Rejuvenator cannot fix whatever you damage. You know what I'm saying? That's so dope. So together, man, we got this. We got the Rejuvenator ready at the crib to clean off, and Holla actually has the GoPro to make sure he gets every bit of him messing up. Now, right now it's a little dark. We don't really have too much time to go, but I am challenging him to see can Rejuvenator beat the test. I'm gonna throw these to Holla. I'm gonna let him run it around, and we gonna get right into it, man. Let's go.
I killed my GoPro.
All right, yo, so I got Holla with me. I got the kids out with me. We about to be litty. Say what's up, y'all. Say what's good real quick. On the Bred 11s, and this is the test. The kids say he not gonna get them dirty to the point where we can't get it back. I think that whatever he does, we gonna be able to get back. So you see he got the GoPro right now. He gonna document everything. I'm gonna hold my timer right now. I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. We giving Holla 10 minutes to mess up my Bred. I cannot believe I'm letting this man do this. Oh, not my Bred 11s, bro.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my. All right, so first of all, we gonna get in the wood chips. We gonna do a lot of this. I'll go to the mud.
Oh my gosh!
These ain't getting dirty enough. This patent leather holding up, but I'm gonna tear it down.
Oh no! Bro, look at my shoes, bro! That's red clay, bro. That is red clay. Bro!
Doing some more yoga poses.
God, Lee, he is killing my Breds right now, bro. No, not the water stump, bro.
All right, look, guys, this is what I did to the Bred 11s. Had to take my shoes off, got my N1 socks on. But I don't know if Rejuvenator is gonna be able to get it. Now, you got a lot of stuff in the term that sneaker YouTubers use to describe this. The midsole, it was pearly white. We're gonna see if he can get it back to pearly white, but if not, Big Holla, size 9.5, Bred 11s. Let's get it.
All right, y'all, so this is the aftermath of the first joint. This is what he did to my shoes. Look at this. This is our aftermath. The red clay all on the midsole, all on the forefront of the shoe, bro. Look at the patent leather. Even the laces are beat. Look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. How do you feel about yourself, bro?
I feel good. I feel like I'm about to save $220 if that's what the retail is, you know what I'm saying?
Holla, even though he destroyed my shoes, right? Sun was definitely not on our side. As y'all can see, the video got dark super fast. So even Holla himself said he could have stepped up his A game and he could have dirtied these up even more. How can you dirty these up even more? I have no idea, but you know what? I am up for the challenge. I challenge Holla. If you can get these even dirtier by tomorrow, I can still clean these joints up, no problem. So stay tuned for day 2, which is actually happening right after this. We about to go to a whole second day of Holla dogging my Bred 11s even more. So without further ado, get ready, sit back. It's about to get even more reckless on day 2. Let's get it. All right, you guys, today is day 2, man. My boy Holla is already ready to head outside. I put these sneakers on the back patio because it was no way they were staying in my crib
hey,
like
look,
that.
The real tea is I wanted him to do that. That way they can dry and get dirty. The wet dirt's easy to wash off.
Yeah, facts. So I'm going to show y'all what these joints looking like now.
Bro, look at these joints, man. And now they all dry
So as promised, man, it is day 2, and I'm giving him a whole nother chance to dirty these up even more, man. Are you ready, bro?
It's a little dry outside.
It is a little dry outside, bro. So he got to do what he do, and we're going to get into it. So without further ado, day 2, let's get it.
I found a couple puddles. I'm gonna just hit 3 locations. We're not doing a 10-minute timer because I went to LA Fitness last night, and I ain't trying to do no more running.
Bro, look at this man, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Look at this. Oh my God, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Hit him with the Tyson.
Bro.
Can't take this no more, bro. I can't take it. Deal is off. Stop. Deal off.
Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, look at my 11s, bro. Look at my 11s. My man's is walking back to the whip with one shoe on, one shoe off, because the other shoe is just too dirty, bro. Let me see how dirty you got these joints, bro.
See, I think I did myself a disservice jumping in the puddle. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
But you still got some in the crevices left. But I really did something dirty to these midsoles.
Look at this, bro. My 11s are ruined, bro.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We got a lot of work to do when we get back to the crib. I don't know what to do right now. I've never seen somebody just like demolish a brand new pair of shoes like that. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I'm about to head back to the crib, see if we can get these back right. I will get with y'all later, man. I'm out of here. All right, guys, we are back in the studio, back at the house, and as you seen by the B-roll I just showed you guys, my Air Jordan Bred 11s are completely ruined. No ifs, ands, buts about it. I don't even know where to start when it comes down to this. I'm not gonna hold you. Everything from the midsole, the uppers, I don't even want to touch these. The outer sole, it stinks, it's smelly. It's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot. As I told you guys earlier, I will be cleaning these up with Rejuvenator products, and I thought I was probably gonna need 1 or 2 things, but it's a little bit different now. Hey, look, I might have to use the entire Rejuvenator Ultimate Kit. Now, this Rejuvenator Ultimate Kit comes with just about everything I need, from brushes to deodorizer to repellent to the laundry system kit. I think I'm gonna have to bring out the whole 9. As I'm breaking down how I'm cleaning off these shoes, getting them back right, I'm gonna be telling you all the things that I'm using. And as well, guys, as I told you earlier in the video, Rejuvenator is having a blowout sale right now. You get 50% off when you use the link down below. Right when you go and add up all your stuff, or when you're getting ready to pay for it all, it's already discounted, 50% off. If I was you guys, I would definitely try to go for the ultimate cleaning kit. As I told you guys, everything you need to clean sneakers, from microfiber tiles, shoe horns, everything, it's all here. It's all in this kit. Like it's all here. That's what I'm gonna be doing, to cleaning these off. But without further ado, man, let's just get right into it. Starting off, man, I'm gonna just have to take these laces out, because the laces got to be clean too, the whole 9, and these stink so bad, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh man, these stink, bro. I don't know what Holla stepped in or what he did. I don't know if this is like day 1 or day 2, but bro, this stinks. Alright guys, now that both of the laces are out of here, we can just simply rinse these off, and I'm not sure which way I'm gonna do it. It's 2 different ways we can go about this. We can clean these with the brush and of course the Rejuvenator solution, or I can just wash these down and we put them in the dryer, in a washer, and use the Rejuvenator laundry system kit, and that's what I think this is gonna take. So before I even do anything up close and personal, I'm gonna just wash these off, rinse these off real quick, and I'm gonna just use the Rejuvenator laundry system kit. That will be this product right here that's in the laundry system kit. I'll also need the sneaker cleaning laundry bags as well, so I can separately place both of these sneakers in the laundry bag to make sure that they get cleaned properly and they stay safe inside of the washer and dryer. It comes with 2 for both sneakers, so that's what I'm about to do now. So Holla, if you don't mind, can you grab the camera and show me as I rinse these babies off before I do anything else. All right guys, I highly recommend that you do not use the kitchen to wash off your shoes. Like, it's not the best sanitized thing to do. Of course, I'm gonna wipe all this down and wash all this down, but we gotta get all of this gunk and all of this junk up off these shoes, man. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get the shower head, bro. Turn this on, and just rinse these off as much as I possibly can. You see the red clay? Bro, show the clay. That's gonna be the hardest part to get off. I get this on both sides, man. This is crazy. Get all of this stuff up out of there. All right, so this one is pretty much finished. It's like the most I could do with the water after spraying it down. So now we're gonna go into the next shoe. I already see a difference though. I might not need to use the laundry system kit, seeing that like I see a small difference already. Let's just see what this shoe look like after we spray this one down too. Right over here as well. I want to get all that up out of there, all out the crack. Alright, so now we have both sneakers. After they've been rinsed and washed down, they still look beat and it's still terrible on the midsole and terrible on the outer sole. But I think this is something we're going to have to do with the brush and the actual Rejuvenator solution. So I'm not actually going to throw these in the washer and dryer because I'm going to try to do these old-fashioned style. All right, guys, we back in the studio. And the things that I'm going to be needing to make sure that this shoe gets back to A1 condition is, of course, the Rejuvenator solution, the collapsible bowl. That's where you pour the solution into. I got my brushes over here. I got my shoe trees. And, of course, the microfiber towel because it's about to get real crazy. Once again, all of these are available over at Rejuvenator in the Ultimate Cleaning Kit I told you guys about earlier, so check that out when you get a chance. I'm not going to sit here and waste too much time, so I'm going to do a time lapse on basically me going to work on these guys and just show you the progress during the time because it's going to take a while. So without further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, I think that's enough scrubbing. The table is an absolute mess. I'm gonna use this microfiber towel to get my hands back clean, and I'm not gonna hold you from the first brush alone. These look good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean that fast of a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these off real quick and show you what they look like updated. No cuts, no edits, no nothing. I might be saving myself some money on some Bred 11s. Let me see what they're looking like real quick. Hey, I looked at Holla. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Are you serious? Are you, bro? These look better than new. Do you see the shine on that patent leather, bro? Do you see the shine? Holla. Listen, I'm telling y'all, bro. It works. It works. It works, man. This is from one wash. This is just from one wash, man. I'm still gonna get the bottoms. I feel like I could get the bottom a little bit more. It's still like a little bit of grit and grime in there. But from the first wash, okay, you seen what they look like in the beginning of the video. They almost look better than brand new. Like I said, I still see some spots I do have to hit again, but these look good, man. Comment down below how you rocking. All right, y'all, we are done with sneaker number 1. Now it is time to get into actual sneaker number 2. Y'all see, man. Y'all see what these things looking like. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm not gonna cap. Now I'm gonna move this one over, and now it's time to go to work on sneaker number 2. Do y'all see like all of the red clay? This is what stains midsoles. This is the stuff that is not supposed to get out of your shoes. When that red clay is in there, bro, it's supposed to be a wrap. This Rejuvenator is taking it right out with no problem, man. Let's get into shoe number 2. All right, y'all, I'm done scrubbing sneaker number 2. Now, once again, time to get the microfiber towel, get my hands back right, and wash these babies off and see if they come out as clean as the first pair. Because the first pair, man, it came out surprisingly clean. And wow, bro, these look just as good. So now we have 2 pair of Bred 11s that look brand new again. I don't have to tell you guys too many times about how they look previously before the wash. Yes, I still have to do the laces. I have not done those yet, but bruh, just look at these, man. Just look at these. This is so crazy. As I told you guys, it's no secret, it's no mystery to how I got these back right. The Rejuvenator Ultimate Cleaning Kit. I'm telling you guys, take advantage of getting 50, I repeat, 50% off of all of this stuff. All of these things that allowed me to get these back right. Listen, these were extremely dirty. I highly doubt anybody out there, unless you live in a swamp, you're never gonna have to face these type of odds. So the small nicks and the mud stains and the dirt stains that you guys get, this could easily take care of it. If it took care of this, it will easily take care of whatever you guys have going on. So as you guys clearly seen in the video, in the B-roll, you seen, look at my man in the back. You guys clearly see that the Rejuvenator definitely defeated the task today of making sure that they came back A1. And that's just about it, man. These boys are back A1. So that means, unfortunately, no Bred 11 for you, my guy. How you feeling right now? Talk to the people.
I feel like Rejuvenator owes me some Bred 11s.
How is that, my guy?
So I will be flying out to Arizona.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. The road to 100K is still in effect. At least try to get me to 50 before the end of the year. Videos like this, if you're new to my channel, man, thank you for watching. And until next time, buy your Rejuvenator for the 50th time. Link is down below. 50% off everything. I'm telling you guys, the Rejuvenator Ultimate Kit is the best bundle, or the best money you'll get for your bundle. You get everything they have there, everything you need to tackle any type of occurrence you're gonna run across. So that will be linked down below. Other than that, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. We got holla. We not doing the six.
Heading back outside, my guys. Round 2.
Everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.